Hi guys, it's Tony. Thanks for coming along. I know I haven't done a video for a while, a description video, and it's just been one of those weeks, I'm afraid. Couldn't find anything really to review. Anyway, back on the circuit now. Today we're looking at Aldi's Honey Nut Harvestmorn. So let's get in with this. This is the 500 gram box. I'm going to see if this is comparable to Kellogg's Crunchy Nut. Alright, so generally that's what they look like, if you take a look. Alright, Honey Nut, and put some milk on that. Right. Okay guys, I've just tried a bit and these are really super delicious. I don't think you'd be disappointed with them. They're really crunchy. They taste of honey and nut. So they do look, and they are one of those things I got recommended. Yeah. I mean, not everyone can afford Kellogg's, not everyone likes Kellogg's, but these are a great substitute, guys. And you get a lot in the box, and they're super affordable, guys. One to watch out for, Harvestmorn. Just as good as Kellogg's, I think. That's what's on the back. Sorry, my flash isn't working today. Low battery. But yeah, definitely recommend that. 5 out of 5. Good product from Aldi. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon. Bye for now.